Hi everybody, so today I'm going to be doing a planner 101 video for all of you, and I am so excited. So if that's something that you're interested in, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let's go ahead and get started. So I've had a couple different planners here. I have these three, and then I have another one I'll go get in a second. But the first thing I kind of wanted to address with planning is different sizes you can get. So the three main sizes, main being the key word, is pocket, personal, and A5. So A5 is your typical big planner that you typically would see in all stores. Personal is going to be a little bit smaller, and it's going to be narrower. It can fit really easily in a purse, and it still has a lot of room to write in. And then pocket is going to be teeny tiny. So if you guys can see, this is how my hand kind of measures up to it. It's teeny tiny. There's that for you guys if you wanted to see that, but it's teeny tiny. So but this is literally pocket sized. When I have scrubs on and I have a big enough pocket that's loose enough, I can just easily slip this right in and go about my day, which is really nice. And it also has like all of these compartments and zippers, and so it's really nice to use as a wallet, but it's very small. So, alright, so now that that's all done with the sizings, let's go ahead and talk about the different types of planners. So right here, what I have is a ring-bound planner. So you open it up, it's a leather cover. You can buy these covers anywhere. You can buy them pretty much at like Walmart. Pretty much any place has them. So you open it up, and it has these rings. And I like a ring-bound planner because I have the option to open it up, take whatever I need out, change things up. And also, something that I like about this is, let me go to today, is if I'm writing, I am right-handed, so if I write something over here, and the rings get in my way, I don't have that issue anymore, because what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and take it out, and then I can go ahead and write without these rings in. And that's why I prefer a ring-bound planner. You can also get printables from different shops. A lot of these shops, like not Cloth and Paper, but like Elamon Paper Co., Peanuts Planner Co., all those places have what's it called? They have printable inserts that you can print for like $1 or $2 each, and so you get one copy, but then you just have to buy the paper, which is pretty affordable, so you're not spending $50, $60, $100 on a planner every single year like I was with other planners. So this is the ring bound. And then this is something called the Happy Planner. And this is actually very popular in the planning community. I do not like it. And that's just my personal preference. You guys don't have to. A lot of people like it. The reason why I like the Happy Planner is because it's very similar to Erin Condren. I do not support Erin Condren. I don't like her. I don't like her beliefs, so I don't support that company. But this is what basically an Erin Condren is set up like. It has 3 little boxes that you can do morning, midday, like noon, and then evening. And for a while, I loved this. I really loved this. This is pretty much the planner that people will decorate in. They will usually use stickers. They will completely customize it to their needs. This one that I have is undated. The reason why I don't like the Happy Planner is, number one, I don't plan like this anymore. And I know they have horizontal ones, but I like the setup I have now. I don't plan like this anymore. I don't like how you can take these out like that, and then you have to put them back in like that. And I feel like that gets weak. I feel like these get like really weak after time goes on and pieces start falling out. I don't feel like it's as secure as a ring bound, so I don't typically do this kind of planner. But if you're looking for something that's similar to Erin Condren in format, I would highly recommend this one. You have your monthlies, and then you have the weeklies, and then every week is into dailies. And you have the whole entire month, and then at the end you have birthdays, don't forget, special events, important dates, and monthly goals. So it's a really nice planner. You can swap out the covers. I don't use this planner, but I just have it for, you know, giggles. But you can take this out. I'm not going to do it right now. But you can take it out, swap it with a different cover. So it's very customizable, which is why a lot of people like it. I will go ahead and show you how I used to plan, and which is a very, very popular way to plan. The reason I don't plan like that anymore with all the stickers is because it got really expensive. I was paying for the planner, which was like $50, $60. Then I was paying like $100 a week for stickers, and that's not okay. So I stopped using stickers. I am very much more functional than pretty, but I feel like you can be functional and pretty and minimal, and that's kind of what I'm going for right now. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is what planning, a very popular way of planning with stickers looks like. Every single one of these is a sticker, and it's bright, it's colorful, it's fun. It's just too much for me. It's too much noise. I love, though, this is one thing I do love. If you look, I put washi tape on these. That was my favorite part of the planning process. I literally did that just to do the washi tape. But this is very expensive. You have to buy all these stickers and the deco, and it can get very, very, very pricey if you want to. But if you have the money and you want to do it, go ahead and do it. But I'm not interested in it. And but this is, I thought I would show you, this is what planning with stickers looks like. Okay, so this is how my planner looks. This is how I kind of set up my weeks. It's very minimal, very black and white, very productive. So as you can see, I don't have a lot of stickers, but there is a way to still use deco in a functional way. The first way is like highlighters like this. These are Tombow pens, and they are extremely, extremely popular in the planning community, and I'll show you why. So say I want to highlight to buy, I'll just go ahead, and it smears because I have a bad pen, but anyway. But usually I would just go ahead and do like this, and then I would take my pen and put to buy, so it doesn't smear. That's something I can recommend to you guys. But yeah, so if you look, it's kind of a cute little color. It's still, you know, saying that you have to pay attention to it. A lot of people on their monthlies would do it. Like I have like all of my, like if I have an appointment, I will always highlight that date, and then down at the bottom I would just go ahead and put what that date is and what I need to do. So like if Alice, my dog, has a medication she has to do each month, I do it down here. So I do it on the same day every single month, and then yeah, just stuff like that. So it's still kind of pretty, but it's very minimal. It's not like pops of color, but it's still like colorful, if that makes sense. Another way people decorate their planner is with clips. So if you guys can see this, this is a Ollie clip, and it's in rose gold, and it's number one, it's functional because it can flip to my dailies, but also it looks really nice and classy with this black dashboard, if that makes sense. You can also, I saw this, I'm going to see if I can do it. Okay, I can't do it with this one, but with the bigger ones, you can use it as like a pen holder. It's really cool. But I think it's just a cute way to, if I have like a project I'm working on, I'll flip it like that. And it's just something a lot of planner girls do, and I really, really appreciate it. So, alrighty, well, that is it for my planning 101. I love my planner. I have a new one coming in, so get ready for that. I will be doing a setup video in the next coming weeks, and then my daily plan and my weekly plan and my monthly plan. So, alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and leave on that note. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!